Create your first task. Let's go ahead and create a task in Cirkus. At the top of the task menu, click on the Add Task button. Then name or describe your task and fill in the applicable fields. You can define the importance of a task by selecting a priority level. Items marked as high or critical will show that label to the user. Due date. When a due date is selected, assignees will receive push notifications or email reminders as task due dates approach. You can always configure notification preferences in the Preference menu. Access by clicking the slider icon at the bottom left of the screen. Assign to. In this example, this task is personal. However, we can also assign tasks to one or multiple assignees. When you assign a task to someone, the task will appear in their task list, and they will be notified. You can assign a task to an email address of a person who doesn't have a Cirkus account, and they will be invited to register with Cirkus in order to see the task. If the person you're inviting is outside your project or workspace, an administrator will need to invite them. Task star. When a task is starred, it is placed at the top of your task list. You can add description and attach files to your task. Click OK to create your task. Task status. With the task created, we can see the status of the task in the list. There are 4 standard task states. Not done. This default state indicates that the task is not started. In progress. When a task is set to in progress, it means the task is being worked on. On hold. This typically indicates the task has an issue and is on hold until resolved. Done. When a task is complete, it can be marked done. When a task is no longer needed, it can be set as canceled. When updating the status, you can also edit these status names, and this will show in the task header. This is especially useful to quickly communicate why a particular task is on hold or what you are actually doing while the task is in progress. It's also possible to use custom statuses for each task if you use task templates. Task list filters. You can configure the task list by using the bottom filters. You can filter by task status, due dates, assignee, and assigned by. In our next video, we'll cover how to set up your first project in Cirkus.